Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. It's crazy. Shibarium just went crazy. Shiba Inu coin, the big news, broken down. The day began with a terrible event. Shiba Inu prices have been going up again for the past few weeks. The price was slowly going up, but today the token price crashed and added an extra zero. We don't know what went wrong. But this can't make the SHIB team in Army sad because the crypto market as a whole is having a bad day. In this film, we'll talk about the big news about Shibarium coins that went crazy. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it and subscribe to see more expert analysis and price forecast for Shiba Inus. Let's start the video right away. The Unification Foundation created Shibarium Shiba Inu's Layer 2 answer. Today they wrote a long blog post on Medium about the third-party projects that the Unification team is working on in Shibarium. Since the post said so, people now know that the Shibarium private alpha testnet began a few weeks ago and is working well. At the moment, the team is putting most of their time and work into making the internal Shibarium wallet. According to the creators, the wallet is meant to be an all-in-one app that can move assets between Layer 1 and Layer 2, allow staking, and will eventually also include Shiba Swap. The Shibarium has been around for a long time because it had to be built on a strong, reliable, and proven foundation. By the third quarter of 2022, Shibarium should be ready for public beta testing. They say that the Shibarium public beta testnet will finally let users and developers try and evaluate the project, which will include the validation process. With the need for a control token, ShibaSwap came up with Bone. The people in the community made the token so that members could vote on ideas. It is also written in the plan that the Bone token will be used as the platform's fuel. This gas will give smart contracts and transactions the power they need to be processed and carried out. Bone would be used by Shibarium protocol to make deals easier to pay for. In addition, people who check the protocol would be paid with Bone tokens. These tokens would be based on how many tokens each validator staked at the start. The price of Bone has gone down since July 7, 2021, when it hit an all-time high of $15.50, according to data from CoinGecko. At press time, the price was $0.477463. Since its all-time high, the token's value has dropped by more than 95%. The Bone token had a market cap of $35,431,478. Even though a SHIB metaverse was launched, most of the other tokens in the Shiba Inu community did not make any gains. To give you an example, the price of leash tokens has dropped by 62% since the start of the public sale of lands on its Shiba metaverse. It's also 87% less valuable than its all-time high price of $0.00008845, which it hit 8 months ago. One of the most important people in the Shiba Inu idea, Satoshi Kusama, died when it was hinted that Shibarium would be out soon a few weeks ago. Fans and holders took to social networks to demand more information and answers about the project. There are a lot of ships in circulation that can't be used in the best ways right now, and there are a lot of busy fans. This means that Shibarium is an event that is worth waiting for, and it could change things for Shiba Inu. Switchery, a cryptocurrency market based in Estonia, might be the first place in the world to list Shiba Inu, Leash, and Bone all at the same time. Watchaguru was the only one who could get an inside look at the plan and say that Switchery could list SHIB, Bone, and Leash together by the end of the month. Switchery was going to soon say that the whole Shiba Inu ecosystem would be available on its website. Shiba Inu was released in August 2020 and is now listed on several cryptocurrency exchanges around the world. A lot of different platforms have added the dog theme token, which means that users can trade the cryptocurrency. Over 120 cryptocurrency platforms have already added Shiba Inu to their lists. Shiba Inu can be bought and sold on different markets, but Bone and Leash can't. Bone and Leash might be able to get more backers if it is listed on Switchery. Most investors didn't buy Bone and Leash because getting them on DEX required a lot of work. The 7-day returns for Shiba Inu and Dogecoin were the best. Bitcoin and other big cryptocurrencies broke through resistance and then leveled off over the weekend. The website Us.Thanks keeps track of the 100 biggest wallets on Ethereum, BCC, and other blockchains. It says that sharks who trade in ETH-based tokens still have the most Shiba Inu. By US dollar volume, the second biggest meme cryptocurrency is the most valuable thing they own. These people have $558,818,957 invested in Shiba Inus. This is equal to 511270774931338 tokens, which is 14.99% of their total crypto stock. According to their website, that's 10.32% of their whole collection. After that comes USDT, and in fifth place is Shiba's usual rival FTX tokens with $366,038,115 worth of FTT, which is 9.82% of whale stock. Shiba Inu's price rise dropped after Elon Musk stopped supporting it, but then some other big investors called whales bought it, which started a comfort rise. That recovery, however, seems to have been cut short because bulls couldn't help but take profits, which caused a drop that made even more bulls sell their shares out of fear that the trade would fail completely. Keep in mind that the mood on the world's markets is still very shaky and that a crash could happen at any time because of what central bankers say. Meme coins did better than the market as a whole. For example, SHIB had gains of over 40% and Dogecoin's Doge tokens went up more than 30% during that time. Doge fell 7.4% and SHIB dropped 6%. Doge went from a low of 5 cents last week to over 7 cents, and SHIB went from a low of $0.000000 to as high as 0.00000000. According to statistics from CoinGlass, this kind of price action caused futures that tracked the two tokens to lose millions of dollars in liquidation. Some people who watched said that the gains might have been caused by deeper issues. Adam O'Neill, CMO at cryptocurrency market BitTrue, said in an email that the coming Shibarium protocol is the main reason for SHIB's meteoric rise. A part of this move also comes from the SHIB token, which has hit 400 trillion milestones. Shiba Inu, an alternative cryptocurrency, seemed to gain value after Musk shared several pictures of his Shiba Inu dog on Twitter. When Elon Musk wrote recently that he would continue to back Dogecoin, the price went up a lot, which helped Doge make it through the crypto crash. Some of the most important financial and economic leaders and thinkers in the world get together at the Qatar Economic Forum, which is a big event. Support for the Shiba Inu themed joke coin from Musk had a big effect on people who own both Dogecoin and Shiba Inus. Shiba is getting more Doge because Elon Musk talked about joke coins. People think that meme coins will be the way of the future. That's all for today. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our station to see our newest videos.